Are you ready?
Yes.
Go, girl.
Here we go. Teachers, there's no need to feel down. We've got the resources to support us
now.
and the structures that won't make our students frown.
There's no
to be unhappy students. There's a place you can go. It's called Launch Point, where you can be in the know. We can work together, and I'm sure you will find there are many ways to improve the mind. It's fun to utilize blended learning. It's fun to utilize blended learning. That's it.
That's it.
Dawn.
Good job, Dawn. I tried to keep up.
Good job. I just stopped singing because I knew it would mess her up.
Great start, y'all. Great start. Team 2 is up. Cat Stevens. Wow.
All right.
I think it's going to be me. Let me lost my.
We're backup dancers to not cause a delay.
I like that. Oh, perfect, Megan.
All right. Are we ready?
Ready.
Okay. Ooh, baby, baby, it's a Wi-Fi world. It's hard to get by without some guidelines. Ooh, baby, baby, it's a Wi-Fi world. And the world always remembers you like your post, girl. You know, I've seen a lot of what tech can do, and it can be either one of two, because I never want to see you bash, girl. Don't be a rash, girl. Ta-da! All right, that's it, guys.
Yay.
Team 3. Waterfalls, TLC.
All right, ladies. Are you ready? That you're supposed to say yes.
Yes.
Okay. We've got it color coded so we know which part is ours. And there's probably going to be a delay, so you'll have to deal with it.
Very good. Very good. I don't know. Are y'all watching or looking on the slideshow too? Because I'm reading along as they're performing, so it's pretty good. I think we're all going to join in on one of these, maybe. Don't
I
go
was really
breaking my
tempted on
heart.
that one.
I know. Team 4, Elton John.
No,
All right,
I
team,
said
you ready?
Without the karaoke soundtrack.
That's right. All right, here we go. Don't go breaking the rules.
Your project will not get done.
Hey, buddy, if you get restless,
We'll try to keep you in line.
don't go breaking the rules.
And getting way off task.
I know you want to visit.
But we've got to work fast. Ooh, working together.
Working together,
When our minds combine.
we really shine.
Ooh, working together.
It's so much better.
Right from the start.
We each do our part.
Oh, collaboration.
Woohoo!
That was good.
Ooh,
That was awesome.
got to bring it down here now for Ain't No Sunshine. Team 5.
Hold on.
And make your font bigger.
All right.
Yeah.
We're going to try it. So here
Yeah.
we go.
Got to bring this mood down, don't we?
Yeah, Ashley's gonna, I was directing. Ashley's gonna sing, and then Joel's got a little surprise at the end. It's all about attendance.
Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Ain't no, that's just not the same when you're away. Sorry. Ain't no sunshine when you're gone, and you're always gone too long. Anytime that you stay away, I wonder which skills you are missing. I wonder how I'll catch you up. Ain't no sunshine when you're gone, and this class just ain't no fun anytime that you go away. Come on, 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 back to school.
All right, Joel, go.
All right. So, baby, come back. You can blame it all on me. Baby, come back. I was wrong. So come back, baby.
Oh, Lord. All right, Team 6, we're rolling right along. First day.
Okay, I have to go on to Internet Explorer to play it, so we're going to do our best. But this is the first day of school and kind of going over the rules. It's like first day vibes. Like raise hand vibes. It's like respect vibes. Thought you'd always be on time. It's like agenda vibes. Like pencil vibes. It's like kindness vibes. Thought the school year you'd be mine.
Excellent.
Awesome.
Yes, it was. Number 7, Follow Me. This one's kind of flowing. Follow me, everything's all right. Here we go. Uncle Cracker.
Okay. Can they hear you?
don't know why. You don't have time to turn around, turn your pants high. I was wearing a mission and it's just you and me. We all swim together like the fish in the sea. We're singing, follow me, we'll learn where we start. In the mini lesson, lead into your heart. If you have some trouble, I can guarantee you can count on me like 1, 2, 3.
Warm up, mini lesson, work session, everything. All right, last team. No pressure. All 7 have been really good. So
you're gonna rock this, right, ladies?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what happens. I skipped the 35-second intro.
And I will tell y'all, I've already said this a couple of times. I had a worship pastor who told me one time he would pay me not to sing. So
here we go. Well, we got no choice. All the girls and boys making all that noise because they found new masks. Well, we can't hug, you gotta stay 6 feet back. That don't suture, that's a drag. Zooms out for summer. Zooms out till fall. School's disrupted for the season.
no more hoods, no more dark screens, no more unsupervised rooms, yeah? Well, we got no muted mics, and we got no gaming in the room, and we got no crying babies in the back. We can't even think of paying attention. Zoom's out for summer, Zoom's out till fall. School's disrupted this season.
Give us all a hand, y'all. Come on now. That's some good stuff.